Hello everyone. Now let's have a look. What are we gonna do here? You have to get the cylindrical rolls, get the red semicircles pasted in this manner, and then make the eyes and then the dots, and your ladybug is absolutely ready to go. Pretty cool. Now get these sheets, these stripes, you have to get them folded. Now you have to just roll them together in this manner and paste them in this way. Make it a little squeezy, right? Now you have to get the sheets folded in this manner and get this made out of it. On the top of it, you need to paste it. Further here, get another stripe of sheet. You just have to fold them together and get them made into this form. Further get the circular sheets, get the ears and eyes pasted in this manner, and yes, your piggy is ready. Beautiful, isn't it? Further here you have to get the hands and the legs made in this manner, and this is gonna look yet amazing. Now just get the folds, the rolls in this manner and get them attached. This is pretty cool. Further here you have to get the cutouts like this. Now the semicircles, the white one, and then you have to get them pasted. Your fox is gonna look ready soon. Now get the tail made. Further here get the sheet, the cup, and get them pasted and attached in this form. This is gonna look beautiful. Now here also let's have a look. Now what are we gonna do next? Here you have to get the cutouts like this of a fish shape. You have to paste the eyes. Further here you just have to make the fins and all in this manner and get them pasted like this. Then you have to take the earbuds, get them pasted in this manner, and then let's see what are we gonna do.